In the pharmaceutical industry, water is not just a basic utility. It's a critical component used in everything from cleaning to manufacturing processes. But have you ever wondered why pharmaceutical water is kept in circulation 24/7, even when the plant is closed? In this video, we'll explore the crucial reasons behind this constant motion and the science that ensures the safety and purity of pharma-grade water. Pharmaceutical water, whether it's purified water, PW, water for injection, WFI, or any other grade, plays an essential role in drug production. It's used for washing equipment, preparing formulations, and as a solvent. Given its extensive use, the quality of water must be meticulously controlled to prevent contamination, which can have serious consequences on drug safety and efficacy. Water is a natural breeding ground for microbes. These microorganisms, if allowed to grow, can form biofilms, a layer of bacteria that adheres to surfaces within water systems. Once a biofilm forms, it's incredibly difficult to remove and can lead to contamination of the entire water supply, rendering it unsafe for pharmaceutical use. Biofilms are particularly dangerous because they act as a protective shield for microbes, making them resistant to conventional cleaning methods. When water remains stagnant in pipes or vessels for just a few hours, microbes can start to settle and form biofilms. This biofilm can then release pathogens into the water, leading to serious health risks if the contaminated water is used in manufacturing. To prevent biofilm formation, pharmaceutical water systems are designed to keep water in constant motion through a closed-loop circulation system. The water is stored in stainless steel vessels and continuously pumped through the system at a velocity of around 1.4 meters per second. This constant flow prevents microbes from settling and multiplying, thereby avoiding the formation of biofilms. Even during off hours or holidays, the water keeps circulating to maintain its purity and safety. Regular checks on the water's velocity and quality are crucial to ensure the system is functioning properly. Pumps are used to maintain the circulation, and the system is monitored closely to detect any potential issues before they can lead to contamination. This vigilance ensures that when the water is needed for manufacturing, it's of the highest possible quality, free from harmful microbes. In the pharmaceutical industry, the stakes are incredibly high when it comes to water quality. The continuous circulation of pharmaceutical water is a critical practice that safeguards against microbial contamination and biofilm formation, ensuring that the water used in drug production is pure and safe. Understanding this process helps us appreciate the meticulous care taken to maintain the highest standards in pharmaceutical manufacturing.